Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable single sign-on or SSO here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Enabling the single sign-on or SSO in Salesforce allows users to log into Salesforce using their existing credentials from another identity provider or IDP, streamlining the authentication process. Now, once you are logged into your account, this is very important because I need you to hover to the quick find section. All right. If you don't know how to go to setup, all you have to do is click on the gear icon on the upper right corner and click on setup. You would be forwarded to the same interface. In the quick find, I want you to type in user. Click the users or user management settings. If you don't have one, just click it on this account. I'm going to create a new user. And at the bottom right here, you see, there's going to be an option that says single sign-on information. Okay, so let me create an account here. You can identify the role, for example, none. For now, it's going to be Salesforce. Profile is end user. All right, and the bottom, you can put in the single sign-on information here for the federation ID. All right, for example, that's going to be this. Click on save, and you have enabled. Make sure that the data is correct. All right, and then click on save, so you have enabled the SSO for a standard user. After that, I want you again to hover to the quick find, type in single sign-on settings. This section, all right, you need to click on the edit for the SAML assertion validator because for one, you can configure sign-on settings in order to authenticate users in Salesforce from external environments. If you want that, click on edit and of course, click create the delegated gateway URL and the SAML enabled for the federated single sign-on using this option, all right? However, back again to the option, you see, if you want a new one, you might want to click on the new option here, put all the information so you'd be able to create a SAML single sign-on settings. Click on save, and basically that's how you enable SSO or single sign-on here in Salesforce. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.